Here's a brand new and entertaining way to make money online. There are millions and billions of free pictures and images on the internet. And with just a few clicks on these pictures, you can receive payments ranging from $5 to $200. Okay, let's say you make $15 per picture on average. And if you do the math, you can see that you make $150 from just 10 pictures. And you can do it with just a few mouse clicks or by using your mobile phone. There are no design skills required, and you will not be drawing or designing anything. There are no complicated skills required, and you do not need to be a genius to make this work. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people from all over the world who can cash out real money online every single day by using the exact strategy that I'm about to reveal in this video. Okay, again, the method does not need any selling, design, videos, or websites. It requires almost no effort and is completely free, making it ideal for newbies. But please make sure you watch every minute of this video all the way to the end, because I'll reveal a few of my secret bonus tips. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, I'm going to talk about how to earn money by creating YouTube thumbnails with these free websites. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now let's get started. Okay, first and foremost, you should go to YouTube and search for anything. For example, you might look up healthy diet. You can find a variety of images on YouTube. Every single video on YouTube now has an image that people click to watch the video. Okay, this is also known as a thumbnail. So a YouTube thumbnail or a YouTube image. And you should know that you can make a lot of money with all of these images. There are so many people who are complete beginners and have never made any money before and have used this strategy to successfully make their first $5, $10, $20, or even hundreds of dollars every single day. Don't worry, I'll cover everything in this video. So you might be wondering how we can use these YouTube images like everyone else. And how can we use it to make money? How can we do this without any technical knowledge? You don't need any experience, let me tell you. And I'll teach you everything for free. So first, I want you to go to this website, pickmaker.com. Essentially, this is free software that you can use from any country in the world on your computer or mobile phone. So you can start designing different YouTube images, and there are templates that they have done for you. So which means that you can start designing different YouTube images with just one click of a button. There are templates available, and with a single click of a button, you can quickly create a very beautiful YouTube image. So these templates are all extremely professional and stunning, even better than what you see on YouTube. Every single one of these YouTube images has the potential to earn you $5, $10, $20, or even $30. So imagine how much potential income you could earn if you didn't need any design skills, because that template does everything for you. I'd like to emphasize once more that this is completely free, okay? You don't need to spend or invest any money to get started. And I don't want you to waste your time. So let me now demonstrate to you how to do this. So first, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website and click on the link that says YouTube Thumbnail Maker. This will take you to a page where you can begin creating a free YouTube thumbnail, also known as a free YouTube image. Create yours for free, which will take you to a page where you must sign up for a free account. So simply just put your name, email address, password, and click the sign up button. When you log into your account, you should see your name at the top. And right on top, you can find various designs and templates. For example, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, IGTV thumbnails, and I want you to click on the YouTube thumbnail category. And from there, it will take you to this page where they will show you a tutorial on how you can start using PickMaker for free. Okay, so basically, you'll have your dashboard. And the first thing I want you to do is give this project a name. Now, I want you to click on the pre-built category. And from there, you can find a lot of pre-made and already done for you templates to choose from. You can also quickly create the entire YouTube image by using the template with just one click of a button. There are literally hundreds of different professionals and different templates from which to choose, and that will bring up right there. So right now, you can start editing and changing whatever you want, which is completely optional. As you can see, everything is very simple and straightforward. You can also do this with your mobile phone, so don't worry, it's very accessible. If you want to add another element to your YouTube image, simply click on the properties and then add different stickers, icons, and other things you want. Once you're satisfied with everything and you're good to go, you can download it to your phone or computer and use PicMaker to create different free YouTube images using all of the templates with a single click of a button. Remember, each of these YouTube images has the potential to earn you $5, $10, or even $30. Well, that's the first part of our vid. How about we take a chill pill, converse a little. I want to ask you if you've designed thumbnails before, anything creative. Let me know in the comment section below. I would really be interested to read about it. Okay, let's continue to the second part of the video. I'll share with you exactly how to turn these YouTube images into real money. So the next website I'd like to share with you is Peopleprayer.com. So basically, on this website, you can find people posting various services for various projects. The first thing I want you to do right now is type in the keyword thumbnail. And I want you to click on the search button, which will take you to a page where you can find various services that people have listed on Peopleprayer.com. There are literally thousands of people making real money by selling these YouTube images that I discussed in the first half of the video. You can see $15, $25, and $10 per image, and you don't need any special design skills. Simply use PicMaker for free to create various YouTube images that are very professional, even better than what you see on YouTube. They're getting a lot of views, and you can make a lot of money by simply posting all of these images, uploading them, and offering them as a service on Peopleprayer.com. Now, for those of you who are still watching, I'd like to share another bonus website, where you can make even more money with all of these YouTube images. So I want you to go to SEOclerks.com. They're kind of similar to Peopleprayer.com, but with far less competition, and few people are aware of them. You can find different services where people charge $10, $15, $20, or even hundreds of dollars. On all of these websites, you can see people making real money online. And that is exactly how you can use different YouTube images to start making a lot of money for free, just like all of these guys. So now that you know about this little secret I have, are you ready to start making thumbnails and earning more money? You know what? Comment down below your thoughts so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!